Ooh, shiny. You can see I've started installing some glowy lights to look cool. These are just like some automotive running lights that I put onto the biceps. So it gives it a little bit of extra interest. And I also replaced the LEDs up in the head. So now they actually work. I'm not sure, I think that water gets into the LEDs and they stop working, so I'll probably have to keep swapping them out. And the semi is going by behind those trees. But you can see Marduk is looking pretty nice. She is all together now. And the fun thing is all these lights are actually hooked up to the main power switch. So when you turn on the main power, all these lights turn on. And I also have some fans inside. Ah, water got in my eye. You can see them spinning all the way up there. Right there. And they allow for some good airflow going in and out, but you can see at the moment there's plenty of airflow. So what I got to do is just get the plastic and put it back up where it should. That way also water doesn't get in and possibly ruin things. And I have the transmission all hooked up. Cables are in there nice and good, as well as the clutch. So the only thing I need to do, excuse me, is actually remove the chocks, maybe put it onto a bit of a flatter ground, because there's actually a little rise right there, you probably can't tell. Put her on a flatter ground and drive her around a bit, see what she does. And everything else is pretty much hooked up. Maybe I'll add on some more running lights, who knows. Maybe put like some in, right underneath that, like that panel right there. Maybe some on the front and down on the shins, who knows. But that is all for today, just showing off how glowy Marduk is. And in case you're wondering, yes, there's also a light on this side. It's just, it's kind of hard to tell because my camera doesn't have good contrast, and at least when it comes to lights and stuff. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and light up your mech today. Bye bye.